I first bought this car, I thought I would never bring it to snow because of the salt and corrosion and everything, but since it's already fucked up a little, I decided why not take it out for one winter and see how good of a winter beater a Miata is. And I think it did pretty well. Kesiak. I like my car.
You like your car?
It's a very good.
It's a very good car.
Very good car.
And this is very good car too.
Go. Kurwa! Vypadá, že nebylo 13.